Here's SMH, Semiconductor Holder Index. This is the chip ETF. It hits the 200-day. It's at the 150. We have moving average crossovers. The daily sell signal is still here, traders. What I am saying is the 4-day consolidation breakout. Friday, we closed up here. We have a brand new week. We had a horrific selling week last week. Stay tuned, stay on the website, get your ideas, sign up for the free 5-day trial, do everything that is proactive for you. You don't hesitate, you don't wait, you don't hesitate. In our ETF trading division, you can make a lot of money trading ETFs and you can hedge them, bull, bear, you name it. I am telling you that I will short the SMH right into that 100-day moving average if it hits it next week. I will tell you that the buying the dip routine has happened. We have light volume in August. Let us not forget that. It is the dog days of August. You heard me. Once again, you can make a tremendous amount of money. You can start with us right now.